Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We're from Group 6 from TRPL 3B Morning with Pebble Cooking Menu Recommendation or Culinary Rack. Members' contribution. First, Nabila Mesha Firandra contribute as a group leader front-end and mobile design of the Culinary Rack application. Zarazan Marbun contribute as design and front-end mobile Culinary Rack application. Neha Nabila Putri Hasibuan contribute as design and analysis of the Culinary Rack mobile application. Cornelis Mangea contribute as front-end and back-end and analysis of the Culinary Rack application. Raja Putra contribute as an analyst of the Culinary Rack mobile application, and Hyrian Noval contribute as a backend database of the Culinary Rack application. General description of the software description: Culinary Rack is an application designed to help users choose food menu based on their preference. Can help users try first menu and not stick to the same menu. Scope. The scope making this application is a cuisine menu recommendation application that has several facilities, namely: first, the system is able to provide recommendations to users regarding the menu of dishes that will be cooked. Second, the system is able to display the recipe ingredients that will be used. Third, the system is able to provide step-by-step instruction on how to cook, including the time and temperature required. And fourth, the system is able to provide a menu of dishes according to the desired category. Uh, Purpose: this application recommends menu, creative inspiration, as well as complete step and recipe guides for users.
About functional requirements. First is allow user to register. First, to have an account to enter the application. To allow user to log in to enter the page. 3. The application is able to provide a search feature for user to find a menu of dishes they want to try. 4. The application is able to display detailed recipe information and step for the select cooking menu. 5. Allow user to save the select cooking menu to the favorite list to access it later. 6. Allow user to manage their cooking menu. 7. Allow user to view comments from the cooking menu. 8. Allow user to provide comment on the dishes they have tried. 9. Allow user to change account password. And last, allow user to exit after the application is finished using it. Next, I will explain about non-functional requirements. First is availability is the application can be accessed properly on Android device. 2. Reliability is access to the system is limited online via the internet. Often access items are not served. 3. Ergonomy is the application is designed as a simple and easy to understand navigation system. 4. Portability is ensure that application can be accessed and used by user across multiple environment and device. Next, response time is respond quickly or no more than 3 seconds. Next, supportability is the application can run on the Android operating system and well. Next, security is enter a password with at least 6 characters, and last language is using Indonesia.
Okay, next. My name is Cornelis Mangea. My last name was FA. I will place the use case of our application. In our application, there is one actor who is general user. Where general user have 9 process, namely register first. Where user who don't have account register first. Next, login. Where user who already have an account can log in with their username and password. Next, change the password. User can change the account password. Next, see the detail of the cooking menu. Next, save the cooking menu to the favorites list. Where when saving the menu to the favorites list, the user can access in later. Next, manage the cooking menu. Where user can add the cooking menu and edit or delete. The cooking menu is the have added. Next, search for the cooking menu where user can find the cooking menu they are looking for. And the last one is commenting. User can comment on the cooking menu they see. Okay. Next is the use case scenario. Where we just to use case scenario, namely name perfect comments. Discretion user perfect comments are refer about the cooking menu. Factor general user. Initial condition, the user has select cooking menu. Finally condition, user comments user comment are saved. Main scenario, first one, user open the tile cooking menu. Next, user write comment or request about the cooking menu. Next, user presses submit comment button. Next, the system store user comments. Alternative scenario, the system failed to save comment to technical problem, so as a lost internet connection or server error. Next, discuss scenario name, save cooking menu to your favorite list. Description, user save favorite cooking menu into their favorite list. Enter general user. In this condition, the user has select cooking menu. Finally condition, the cooking menu is added to the user favorite list. My scenario, first one, user open the tile cooking menu. Next, user press added to favorite button. Next, cooking menu added to as favorite list. Alternative scenario, if the added to favorite button as expression technical errors, so as not responding when pressed or production a clear error messages. User may not be able to ask this feature properly.
I will be explained for the Firebase database structure. On the starting from the left, we have collection user, and then primary key is UID, user ID, string, and then we have a field, email string, username string, profile image string. And then in the middle, we have recept collection, primary key is menu ID string, and then in the field, we have bahan string, cara memasak string, created at, time step, deskripsi, string, gambar, string, judul, string, kategori, string, komentar, array. And then after array, we have a map. Map is kind of like a ID. We try to use a string, but we cannot add any field in the array. So we use we use a map, so we can add a field. So in this each of the map, we have a comment ID string, comment string, profile image string, time step, and then username string. And then we have a rating number, user ID string, username string, and then profile image string. And then on the right, we have a collection favorite. And then favorite ID is the primary key string, bahan string, cara memasak string, description string, gambar string, judul string, kategori string, komentar, array, also the same. And then in the under menu ID string, rating number, and then user ID string. We have a database implementation results. So this is the one of the collection we implementation is the recept. Then we start on the left, start collection here, we have recept. And then in the middle is the auto ID each of the recept. It's kind of like menu ID. So we in the right here at field, you can see this is our database save. So we use Firebase Firestore for our database is NoSQL. We use this because the integration can be very useful for our services, like from the collection user here. We use a Firebase notification. So it's kind of which is why we use a Firestore Firebase. And also is a real-time synchronization, because we can save the file synchronization from our application. And then the scalability of this Firebase Firestore database is very can be grow as your application goes. So yeah, which is why we use a Firebase Firestore as our database.
My name is Raja Putra Adil. My name is 56. I will explain application and implementation. Menggunakan Firebase, design of the enterprise includes a selection of categories to allow general user to select their favorite question retail model.
There are contribution of the project and course, namely, there are computer system administration to ensure application have reliable infrastructure and are well managed. Second, basic ensure the app has the feature that count. Third, computer human interaction ensuring UI UX is designed with human computer interaction principle in mind. For software testing, building a comprehensive testing system to verify and validate application functionality.
Wave mobile device programming and user application are developed using the Dart programming language and Flutter frameworks. 6. Database security. Keep user information properly encrypted and protected from attack or unauthorized access. And the last, mobile application development project. Integrate an application component and feature into a well-structured development project. Maybe that's all. The presentation from Group Culinary Rec, regular B. More or less, we apologize. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.